CBD oil has become so popular, and it's crazy where we find it. I've seen it on the shelves at gas stations. I've even seen it being sold in food products or at local restaurants. It's truly amazing how popular this product has become. I wanted to bust out a couple misconceptions about CBD oil because I think it's really important when people are looking for this type of product or purchasing it, what to know. First of all, the biggest myth that I find out there is that CBD oil is 100% safe. And that just flat out isn't completely true. Things to be concerned about right off the bat is knowing that CBD oil can certainly potentiate or interfere with some medications, increasing the levels of medications in the bloodstream or rearing them actually inactive. So please be aware that if you are taking any sort of prescription medication, you absolutely want to check with your physician to make sure that there's no negative interaction. Two, the problem becomes is the content or how it's actually manufactured. So there's misconceptions out there as well. For instance, if you manufacture your CBD oil from the marijuana plant, chances are really good it has THC in it, which is the addictive component and the illegal component of CBD oil. If it is manufactured from a hemp plant, basically utilizing rules by the Farm Bill Act, then it is considered safe, non-addictive, and is also legal in all 50 states. Please be aware that if you're purchasing CBD oil with THC, depending on your state laws, you actually may be purchasing and using something that is illegal. It's really important to make sure you're not just buying it anywhere, but you're getting it from a reputable physician or source that has actually looked into the ingredients and how it's manufactured and where it's supplied to know those particular components as well. Another little hint is if you're taking your CBD oil and you get that high off of it, like you would if you were to smoke a joint or eat a brownie that maybe is cooked with marijuana, it's really important to know that without THC, you shouldn't be getting that high. So maybe you've been misled into the type of product. Products without the THC should not be addicting, should not create the high, and also will keep you safe in terms of workplace environment. For those of you that may be drug tested or maybe should be drug tested, it's really important to know that a good clean product would not give a false positive on a drug test. So a couple misconceptions out there. It all comes down to the same thing as with most supplements. You really want to make sure that the manufacturing processes are great. You're buying it from a reputable person who does their homework to make sure it's a safe product, because we want to use that to achieve all the health benefits that it can, and it can really be a great alternative for a lot of patients to help them with things like relaxation and pain if it's used correctly.